Yo, what is up guys, and welcome to the channel. Well guys, today we're going to be working on the $800 Mustang GT. We're going to be installing a side mirror on her today. And if you're new to the channel and don't know why I call it the $800 Mustang GT, it's basically because I did buy this car for $800 and have been slowly but surely been working on stuff, fixing on her, stuff that needs to be fixed, and also been adding some stuff to her that I think will make it look good. Kind of bring this dream sn95 of mine to life, I guess, kind of deal. A vision I have for her. Bring the vision into a reality kind of deal. But today guys, we're going to be installing a side mirror on her, because the side mirror on this one, the mirror piece, is shaky. Every time I drive with her on the road and stuff, and I try to look out of it, it just shakes all over the place. And I'm kind of tired of that, so I went and got me a mirror here. Right there. We got this mirror here that I got from my free park car, which is a 96 V6. Got that. And we're going to be installing it on the $800 Mustang GT. This one here, the mirror is in there pretty good. It don't shake all over the place like that mirror over there does. So today guys, I will show y'all how to install one of these mirrors onto your sn95. This should cover from like 94 to probably 2004. I believe the door panels are all pretty much the same, though the connections might be a little different. I'm not for sure about that, but basically it all hooks about the same. So basically what you're going to need is basically just a Phillips screwdriver and a 7/16 socket, so that you can remove these 3 bolts here. This is the 7/16 socket. And basically you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver so that you can remove your tweeter if you have the 460 sound system. If you don't, you just basically just pop it off. That's all. And also you will need the Phillips screwdriver also to remove some Phillips screws that might be on your panels. Mine's where the Phillips screw goes to is broken, so I don't have any on mine. So guys, basically let's get started on this thing. Alright guys, so in order for us to get this mirror there off, we're gonna have to remove this panel here, but it shouldn't be too hard. Basically what we're gonna do first is we're gonna have to remove this. This pretty much just snaps off there. Just pull it off and it'll come off there. And right in here, in that hole there should be a Phillips screw that we have to take out. Remove that, then we pull this down, unplug it, and then we'll go over here, unsnap this here. It's just it's pretty tight in there right now. I got to cut the camera off to get it out, but we're gonna pull this out here, unscrew that, and over here on the side here, on the side there must be a push pin, but mine do not have it. Let me see if I can show y'all. Right there, see, it must be a push pin, but mine do not have it, so I wouldn't have to worry about that. Basically, all I'm going to have to do is just remove this Phillips screw here, pull this off, unplug it, and pull this out here. And there might be a screw behind here, Phillips screw, or it may not. Sometimes they don't have it there. So if there's one there, I'm going to have to remove that and basically just pull this panel up, and that should come off. So I'm going to go do that, guys, and be right back. Alright guys, so once you remove the Phillips screw right here, this will come out right here, and then you will have to unplug it from right there. Just pull it out there, unplug that, and then right here on this you will have 2 Phillips screws right there that you will have to remove right there, and if I can get over to point this one, that one right there. Remove those 2 Phillips screws, and this will come out. And there's supposed to be a Phillips screw right here, but mine do not have it, so I don't got to worry about that. So basically, after I remove that and unplug this, I'm just gonna lift this up here, and we should be able to get to the back here to unplug the mirror here, and then we're gonna start removing these 3 bolts here. Alright guys, so we got the panel removed, and check out over here guys, it looks like a rat's been living in here. See markings there, the rat tore up stuff there. It had a bunch of trash styrofoam right here, had to clean it out. Yeah, like I said guys, this car was sitting up for 4 years, so it looked like we had some rats up in here a little bit, but they ate there too. They ate none of the plastic though, which is good. So now that you got the panel off and everything, we're gonna unplug the unplug this right here, the mirror, which is this piece got toward here, which is right here. Right here is where it's at. Basically, you're gonna unplug that, remove that clip there, and it should come out then, like so. Which hooks behind here, behind this piece here. Kind of slides in there and then it pins up in there. So yeah, we're just gonna hook it right there, move that, and then put the new one in, and also remove these 3 bolts here with the 7/16. Alright guys, so once you got the panel removed, you're gonna have to come over here and unplug the mirror right here, which is also pinned up here. But you have to remove that pin there, which you just put like a fillet, like a flat head there, and just pop it loose from there, and it'll come loose. And then we're gonna remove these 3 7/16 bolts right here. Remove those. We should have it all together. So I'm gonna go do that guys and be right back. Alright guys, so we got the panel back on, everything back together, got the new mirror on there. Though you can't tell no difference in them. It's just that this one, the mirror is in there tight. It's not all wiggly like this one over here. Let me show you. See with this one, it wiggles. And that's the reason why I changed it out, because this thing was real loose, where the other one's more tight. Plus the thing cost me nothing. So yeah guys, that's basically how you change your mirrors if you ever need to change them or anything. This is pretty much a simple video guys to do. I just figured I'd show y'all how to do it since I had to end up changing mine. So guys, that's basically gonna do it for this video guys. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for the support. Peace out guys.